Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to the video. So take a look at this video right here that I published. It got 300,000.4K views and made $585. Now, the business model that I used to be able to generate 585 with a single 2-minute video is called search-based YouTube automation. So if you upload, because with this business model, you have to upload quite a lot of volume to have a successful channel. But if you have, let's just say 100 videos that each make $500, that's going to be an extra $50,000 that you generate with your search-based YouTube automation channel. And let's just say that you're paying just $3 and you do 100 videos. You basically pay $300 to make $50,000. Now, obviously, you're not going to get all that money straight away. It takes a couple years to actually generate the full $50,000. So this business model is my favorite business model to be able to generate views and income online. And when it comes to doing search-based YouTube automation, you can go into various different niches. You can do the apps niche where you talk about all the various different apps that people have on their phone, and you do simple how-to tutorial videos on those exact topics. And then you can do product reviews. So when you find products on Amazon or any sort of online marketplace, you can do the product review and generate views and AdSense revenue for those particular product reviews. Then you can talk about software. Okay, all these software apps, Shopify, and all these apps that help you build websites, e-commerce softwares and things. And these are going to pay you the most amount per 1,000 views. The software can be anywhere from $15 to $20 per 1,000 views. Then you get gaming. That has a low amount that you're going to get paid per 1,000 views, but you can absolutely go viral with these gaming videos. Gaming videos go viral easily. Then you can talk about making money online. Okay, you're going to get paid about $10 for every 1,000 views that you generate in the make money online niche. And then you can talk about e-commerce, Shopify, and all those e-commerce websites that you can make videos about. And then what I like about this is that you can generate extra income from these e-commerce videos by, for an example, putting the Shopify affiliate program link in the description of all your videos. So those are some niches that you can get into, and then you need to start creating videos for your channel so that you can generate views and generate income. So there's many ways that you can go about this. You can do it yourself, you can outsource it, or you can do a mix of both. Now, when it comes to doing it yourself, it does have some advantages. Okay, because that's going to be free. You won't have to pay freelancers to be able to make videos for you, but this is the most time consuming. Okay, you're going to have to spend between 3 to 5 hours every single day, depending on how many videos you upload on your actual videos. And if you think about that, that is not scalable. You can't, let's just say, put in 10 hours a day every single day on your channel, because what's going to happen is you're going to get tired, you're going to burn out, and then you're eventually going to stop uploading. So what I like to do with my search-based YouTube automation channels is I like to do outsourcing. Now, for outsourcing, you will need a budget anywhere from $300 to $500 every single month to be able to get your videos created. But that's great because that's not a lot if you compare it to the traditional YouTube automation of trying to go viral, where you're spending $80 to $100 per video. You're just spending $300 to $500 per month. This frees up your time to be able to focus on the actual topic research, growing the business, managing all your channels and everything like that. So that's going to save you tens of hours every single week. And this is the most scalable, because if you want one channel, then you have, for an example, 2 team members that work for you in creating videos, creating thumbnails, editing and uploading the videos. If you want 2 channels, then you just have 2 or 3 people working for you. So you can quickly scale up your channels. And then you can do like a mix of both, where you still require a budget, but that will basically like halve the budget. So if you're spending $300, maybe it takes the budget down to $150. This still takes time. because you will have to do some of the work. If you're doing the thumbnails and you doing the editing, if you stop doing that, then you won't have any videos in production. So that still takes time, and that's not scalable, because if you stop doing your part of the work, then you're actually going to stop getting results with your channel, and that's not what we want. So for me, I would pick in the beginning, if you're just getting started with YouTube search-based automation, doing it yourself is good. Okay, you're going to save money. It's going to take some time, but eventually you will move over to the outsourcing method, and then you'll really start to see your results take off. So it all comes down to now the topic research. Okay, so you have to find all these topics for your YouTube channel to be able to make all these videos. Okay, because this topic right here was how to add a photo on video on CapCut. So the way that I got this actual topic to be able to get 300,000 views and $585 in revenue was using a couple of research methods to be able to come up with these topics. Okay, there's mainly 3 of them. You can do the search bar method right here, and then you can do the competitor method, and then you can do AI. So I'll explain all of these. So I'll explain what the search bar method is. Okay, basically the search bar method is, if for an example you go onto YouTube, you'll see the search bar right at the top here. What you do is you type how to, then you put like an action verb like add, and then you put an app like TikTok, and then you go through the alphabet, and then you can see all these auto suggestions here, how to add TikTok account on laptop, how to add TikTok account on Facebook, and so on. And then you can potentially make those keywords if you do all the qualification process on those actual keywords. Now, if you want to learn all the keyword research like the search bar method, the competitor method, and AI, what you can do is click the first link in the video description or pinned comment. It'll take you to my community where you can actually start to learn exactly how all this stuff with regards to search-based YouTube automation works. We have weekly calls every single Saturday. Okay, if you go to the classroom, you see the Search Mastery course there. You can click on that, and then you'll see all these lessons that will teach you exactly how this business model works, how you can start it for yourself and get to 1 million views and a full-time income online. Okay, and then if you aren't able to attend the live calls, you can go to the weekly call recordings and you can watch them. Yesterday's call recording was just published here, and you can learn from those. So all you need to do is click the first link in the video description. It'll look like this. You just click on start your free trial. You can get 7 days free trial, and then it's just going to be $7 per month. A very affordable price for all the value that you get in the community. Okay, so the search bar method, in my opinion, is the best method because that's going to give you the most untapped keywords that allow you to actually scale your channel to a good amount of views, because you're going to be finding keywords that not a lot of channels are actually covering. And then you get the competitor method. Okay, that's the second best. For an example, you'll go onto YouTube, and for an example, if I click onto this keyword right here, and then I go to, for an example, this competitor, what you will do is you'll go to their videos tab, you'll click on popular, and then you'll see, okay, what are their popular videos? This one got 142K 1 year ago. This one got 14K views 7 months ago. So maybe you could replicate that video and get some views. Okay, so that's the competitor method. Then you can use AI. Okay, that's the third best one. AI doesn't really give you the best keywords, but you can still 100% use AI in this process. Now, the most important thing here is with any of these methods, you never want to find a topic and then create and upload that video without qualifying the keyword first. Now, I do the full qualification process in my school community. So make sure to get a free trial of that if you want to. So you may be asking, what are the different stages of growth? Because you're going to be uploading videos and you may not see results straight away. So when you get to about 500 videos, you won't be monetized. And when you get to about 500 videos, you should be generating 50K to 100K views per month. And that'll be like the first 3 months. Okay. Then you get to the second stage where you go to about 1,500 videos. You won't be you will be monetized at that point. So you'll be earning money. And then you're going to be generating like 100K to 350K, which is like $300 to $1,500 per month in AdSense revenue. And then you'll generate, and that'll be in like months 6 to 8. And then you get the third level of this type of channel, which is 3,000 plus videos. This is the stage where you'll be generating a full-time income online if you do everything correctly. Topics or the search bar method correctly, competitors, and AI. If you do all that correctly, you could be earning a full-time income. So you'll still be monetized if you do everything correctly, and you should be getting about 600K to 1 million views a month, which is like $2,000 to $3,000 per month, and that'll be after about 12 months. So that's the business model, and this is what I use every single day to be able to get views on my channel and make money using YouTube. If you don't want to show your face on camera, you don't want to make any videos, this business model is perfect. So like I said, if you want to learn everything step by step, click the first link in the video description and then click on start your free trial, and I hope to see you in the community.